Context engineering. Playlist 3, Episode 7, the finale. You're not writing prompts, you're managing what the model sees. If you've been around AI for a while, you remember when the skill was called prompt engineering, the art of how to word your request. That made sense in 2022, when a conversation was one turn. But across this playlist, you've learned tokens, windows, rot, caching, tiering. None of that is about wording. All of it is about what the model is looking at when it answers. The job got a new name: context engineering. Look at the difference. Prompt engineering left focuses on how you communicate: tone, phrasing, examples. Context engineering right focuses on what information the model has access to: system instructions, tool schemas, retrieved docs, conversation history, every tool output, user memory. Same model, same task. The first asks how to word the request. The second asks what should be in front of the model when it decides. Said differently, you're not writing prompts anymore. You're curating the entire information environment the model operates in. The prompt is one input among many. Here's why the shift happened. The moment AI moved from chat to agents, from one turn to many, the prompt stopped being the dominant input. By the fifth step of an agent loop, your original prompt is a small fraction of what the model sees. If you only optimize wording, you optimize a thin slice of what actually drives the output. Part 2. What this discipline actually does. 4 failure modes, 4 levers. Context engineering isn't a vibe. It's a named discipline because context fails in specific, repeatable ways. 4 of them. Poisoning. Wrong information enters the context, corrupts subsequent outputs, and stays. The model keeps consulting the bad source. Distraction. Too much accumulated content drowns out the real instruction. Exactly what we saw with the widget.tsx story in episode 4. Confusion. Ambiguous or overlapping content, like 2 tool descriptions doing similar things, leaves the model unsure which to pick. And clash. 2 pieces of context giving directly contradictory instructions. The model has no internal way to know which wins. Each of these has its own fix. That's what makes this engineering, not advice. And here's the surprising thing. You already know the fixes. Every episode of this playlist has been won. Select which tokens belong in the window in the first place. That's model tiering from episode 6. Cheap model for small tasks, flagship for hard ones. Selection. Compress. Summarize long history so it costs fewer tokens. That's token budgeting from episode 1. Structure. Stable content first, variable content last, so caching actually works. That's episode 5. Isolate. Break long tasks into subagents with their own clean windows instead of letting one session rot. That's the practical answer to episode 4. 6 episodes, 4 levers, 1 discipline. Now, one bit of honesty. The discipline is still naming itself. Some practitioners are already moving past context engineering to call this harness engineering, managing not just information but the rules, feedback loops, and safety rails around the model. The terminology is alive. The mechanics underneath are stable. Both names point at the same truth. The model is one part of a system you design. Hold this. Context engineering is the engineering of what the model sees. Select, compress, structure, isolate. 4 levers against 4 failure modes, and every cost lever in this playlist serves one of them. Step further back. This isn't just the playlist finale. It's the bridge across the whole channel. Playlist 1, the editor. Playlist 2, the agent. Playlist 3, the economics. All 3 converge on one job: building reliable, affordable, predictable AI systems. The model is interchangeable. What differentiates good systems from broken ones is the engineering around it. Context engineering is the name for most of that engineering. So remember 3 things. 1. Context engineering is the discipline of designing everything the model sees, not just the prompt. 2. 4 failure modes drive most agent unreliability: poisoning, distraction, confusion, clash. 3. The toolkit is what you've already learned. Select, compress, structure, isolate. The model is the easy part. The system around it is the work. Context engineering, the engineering of what the model sees. Playlist 3 complete. Next playlist, Agents at Scale, the 2026 Frontier. Subscribe. We crack open every bone.